Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn numbers. Kids class name blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, black color, yellow color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first you draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use blue color, O N E 1, the numbers of 1. Kids now draw 2, the numbers of 2, and use red color, T W 2. Kids now draw 3, the numbers of 3, and use yellow color, T H R W 3. It's now 4, the numbers of 4, and use green color, F O U R 4. Kids now 5, the numbers of 5, and use black color, F I V E 5. Kids now 6, the numbers of 6, and use yellow ochre color, S I X 6. Kids now 7, the numbers of 7, and use blue color, S E V E N 7. Kids now 8, the numbers of 8, and use red color, E I G H T 8. Kids now 9, the numbers of 9, and use yellow color, N I N E 9. Kids lastly draw 10, the numbers of 10, and use green color, T E N 10. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.